welcome back to yet another video on Python. This time we're going to talk about Python operators. So Python operators are used to perform various operations on variables and values in Python program. They can be broadly divided into arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, membership operators. And there is another one, bitwise operator, which we are skipping for the time being. So let's talk about the very basic type of operators, which is arithmetic operators. So you are mostly well acquainted with the basic operators, the mathematical operators. So the first one is the addition. Obviously, it's given by the plus symbol. So if you are in two variables, you write it like a plus b. Then there is the other operator is the subtraction, the minus sign, a minus b. This is how you write it. Division, a divided by b. Multiplication, the asterisk symbol, not the usual x kind of symbol that you use in mathematics. So a exponential b, the asterisk, sorry, not exponential, asterisk symbol. This is interesting. This is modulus, the usual percentage sign. You write it like a modulus b. This basically gives the remainder of the operation a divided by b. So when you divide a by b, whatever the remainder is, you get it as a modulus. Exponential is given by two asterisk symbol. So basically this is a exponential b, or a raised to the power b. So 2 to the power 3 is 8, right? And finally the floor division. Floor division is basically the quotient of division. This is quotient of a divided by b. So basically if you say 5 divided by 2, so it would be 2 to the 4, so one remainder, so 2 would be the floor division. Another example is 8 divided by 5, so you'll say 5 ones are 5, 3 is the remainder, so 1 is the quotient. So that's the 1 is the floor division, output of floor division. Let's have a look at this using Python code. So here we have all the arithmetic operations. So if I'm talking about two variables x and y, x is 10 and y is 20. If I add x and y in a, you can say a is x plus y. Subtraction is y minus x here. Division, d is y divided by x. Multiply, I'm saying m is x multiplied by y. You observe the asterisk symbol here. Modulus r is y modulus x. And likewise exponential is e is equal to y modulus 2, that means y to the power 2. And finally floor division or quotient, q is equal to y floor division 3, right? So let's try to run this code and see what output we get. So you see for a, x plus y 10 plus 2 is 30. Second one, s is 10 because 20 minus 10 is 10. Divide y divide 20 divided by 10. So d is obviously 2. Multiply x multiplied by y. 10 20 is 100, 200. So that's why we're getting 200 over here. Modulus, this is interesting. R is y modulus x. So remainder of 20 divided by 10 is 0. So r should be 0 here, right? If I want to do another test, let's say R1, wherein I'm saying R1 is 5 modulus 3. So in this case, the modulus should be 2 because 5 divided by 3 is 2. So you see R1 is 2, right? Just to explain it further. Exponential e y to the power 2. In this case, y is 20. 20 to the power 2 is 20 is 400. So e should be 400. And finally floor division q is equal to y floor division 3, which means 20 floor division 3. So 3 6 are 18. 2 should be the quotient or the floor division output. So we get it here. Sorry, 3 6 are 18. So yeah, 6 is the modulus floor division or the quotient. So that's about the arithmetic operators.